an hour of technical work for you, and admin below that. So if you did an hour of admin work, like answering emails, that'd be the biggest waste of time on the planet. If you do an hour of technical work, like coaching 5 clients, it's better, but it's still a waste of time compared to if you did an hour of managerial work, or if you did maybe an hour of, or team development, let's say, like an hour, you can spend an hour coaching 5 clients, or you can spend an hour coaching coach to coach 5 clients. Or you go up to entrepreneur, we spend an hour trying to secure a clothing deal with Nike. Which one of those is going to be like, that's where the 10x pivot comes from.
You just said Nike ticks then, didn't you?
He's actually, he does do what you're saying, he has done it, he's been in schools, he's got his
but
idea
every day and first?
He's not got that kind, he's got conviction and he's good at selling, but he doesn't walk in and go, we're amazing. I don't either.
No conviction
so
then.
literally all you have to do is just step it up a level.
And you'll do that right when you do it first and you have the energy for it.
So
if you're doing, most people do the other way around. They start with technical work, wake up, answer emails, do my sessions, track some numbers, managerial stuff, bit of admin stuff. And at the end of the day, if they've got energy and time, they're like, oh yeah, I should approach those JV partners today, but I'm fucked now, I've got to watch Netflix. So, because again, the external work, the external stuff, the entrepreneur stuff, is what moves the company forward. Internal work keeps you spinning on the hamster wheel. That needs to get done. You need to maintain the systems. It's called clouds and dirt. But you're doing the dirt work keeps you where you are, spinning in the mud. But this work has to be first because it's going to propel you forward. And when the internal work is done and you have a system that can create the output you want for clients, like a conveyor belt, and those systems are being dialed in continually, and then you're out there lining up these big deals at scale, the two should start growing synchronicity. Whereas your scale and operation gets tighter and more plausible, you know, your finances get better, you can open up more gyms, you can provide more of a scalable service without risk and downside, and at the same time, if that takes 18 months, at the same time, you spend 18 months developing some really big contracts on the table, so when the dams do burst and these big deals come in, you do have the factory to supply it. Does that make sense? Yeah. So are you starting those tasks first in the day and making them a priority?
How would we go from our first 2 sessions of the day are 6 and 7 AM, so how would you say that we should then step away from that and approach someone at 6 o'clock in the morning?
Send emails at 5 AM? I don't know.
Yeah. 5 AM.
Right, well okay, well if that's the case, you can
Sleep
do that.
when you're dead,
either you do it well, if it's only 2 hours in the morning, right, and you're not going to be fucked by 10 AM.
No,
right.
No.
Either you just do it next, or you just hire someone, you get that time replaced. You know, it depends. I mean, because again, if like Nike go back to you and said, oh yeah, we'll happily have a meeting with you, you've got to come at 8 AM tomorrow morning though.
That could be.
Are you going to be like, well sorry, I've got a session to run.
No.
I'll find a fucking trainer in 5 minutes. I'll put my mum in there to coach it. I don't care. I'll be there, right? So, but we're reactive like that. We're like, oh, well, I'll make it a priority if they came to me first. Yeah. But who's going out to them, right? So will that help you whittle down your task list or at least focus it a bit more?
Definitely.
And
I mean, we do the approaching. We've set up a deal with a local high-playing golf club. We've set up things for schools, and we just put a tender application in for schools and stuff as well. So we've got all that in place, but it's not as regular as that. It's not like daily, 3 people a day.
And you've listened to the Power Network
Yes.
podcast, right?
Absolutely.
So for those around,
wheel fixed because of it.
yeah, just making an impact, bro.
So I'm just trying to get my own clarity on this. Is the issue getting traffic in, providing the back end? What's the?
It's probably
actual...
just, as Justin said earlier, it's just optimising it all. So we've worked for the last probably, James Moody was with us for a while. He came up and did a 1-day intensive with us, and then it was a case of where do we spend our money now, because it was good but just not quite enough. And so we decided to, well, James is that good now, we're going to go with he went with. So we've literally been really, really good with Justin over the last probably year. 8 or 9 months that we've been with them, but for me it's just kind of optimising it all and putting it all together.